Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. Welcome. If you're new, please hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. I love a good hair hack. Anything that makes my life a little easier is all right by me, especially when it comes to my hair. And thanks to Vanity Planet, they did just that. I bought an item from Vanity Planet that's meant for my face. While I was giving myself a good facial, I noticed the steam was hitting my hair and I was like, okay. This is the Aira Ionic Facial Steamer, which in turn has now become my new hair steamer. This is what I use to resoften, hydrate, and moisturize my hair without the use of a spray bottle. It also makes it easier to detangle and manage my hair. So let's get into some of the specs. It has an adjustable nozzle for your preferred height, suction cup feet to keep the device from moving or sliding. This is the water tank opening, and this is the water tank for distilled water only. No tap water or adding any oils in there because that can actually shorten the lifespan of the device. This is the power button that has a standby mode when plugged in, and the great thing is it has an auto shut-off mode when the tank is empty. It also comes with these essential oil baskets to drop in your favorite essential oil for that full therapeutic spa experience. It fits right on top of the nozzle. Also, this facial steamer came with a free item, which is the Tona Lift and Tone Sculpting Bar. This is a vibrating toning tool for your face. But as soon as I turned it on and felt the vibration, I was like, yeah, this would make a great scalp massager. It reminded me of another vibrating scalp massager that I have, but this vibration tool is way better. This bar vibrates 6,000 times per minute, which improves blood circulation. And again, its sonic vibrations tighten and tone the skin, relax and release tension, and smooth fine lines. Now that's if you're using it solely for your face. I'm starting off on this very shrunken dry puff that was a several days old twist out, and I'm going to show you how I can get the same soft moisturized results without having to wet my hair with a spray bottle, because there are days I do not feel like wetting my hair all the time to get it back into a style. To start, I apply my favorite leave-in conditioner. And then my favorite hair oil. And just working in the oil for a few seconds just to prevent it from running. Before I steam, I like to use the Tona vibrating tool in a circular motion around my edges. The benefits of a scalp massage include stimulating your scalp, increasing the follicle circulation, encouraging hair growth, and it's also very relaxing. And then I target 4 points on my head: the left and the right side, the middle and the back. Technically, I can target 2 parts of my head because if I place the tool towards the top of my head, it vibrates all the front of my head and the sides included. If I place it towards the back, the vibration covers all the back of my head. It feels really good. I don't care about lifting and sculpting my face. It feels better on the scalp. Once I hit power, it takes about a minute or two to begin steaming. As a precaution, you don't want to hold the steamer too close to your hair or scalp because it will cause damage and burning, and you don't want those problems. If you try this, you don't have to hold it like I'm doing because you don't want to drop this and end up burning yourself. This is just my preferred method, and it just really helps to get into the thickness of my roots. The steam allows my hair cuticles and the pores on my scalp to open, and this is perfect because I have low porosity hair. It also allows my hair products such as leave-ins, deep conditioners, masks, oils, and some stylers to better penetrate my hair. Especially those products that just sit on my hair and leave a film or residue. The steam allows better absorption of those products. I also love how the steam just coats and clings to my hair. Now, I never pick my hair out. It's still very much shrunken, but very soft and moisturized. I can easily gather and pull my hair up into a tight pony. I couldn't do that before. When my hair lacks moisture and it's super dry, there's no way I can easily just gather my hair up into a pony and hold it with one hand. Some other benefits of steaming your hair includes eliminating breakage, retaining your length, rejuvenates the hair, enhance and strengthen your hair, leaving your curls hydrated and refreshed. It improves manageability and elasticity, and it also can save you money. Personally, it helps me spend less money buying products to re-moisturize my hair, such as curl refreshers. So now that I've completed the steaming and the scalp massaging, I'm just going to do a little edge gel. 2 different kinds because I got to cover up those grays, slick it back up into a high puff, and add my headband for my final accessory. So there you have it. This is how I soften, rehydrate, and remoisturize my hair, especially when I'm on the go. My hair is super soft, it feels really good, I have a nice shine, but more importantly, I did not have to mist my hair with a whole lot of water just to get this style. Just a little steam is all I needed, and this can actually be done without any products in your hair at all. But for my hair, I have to have a little something to lock in that moisture. So that concludes the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be alerted of the next video that will be coming your way. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!